On your screens are live images that we are getting to you just from outside the PHQ, and a day after that video went viral of the Delhi police roughing up a female video journalist there. This is the media registering their protest. Our colleague Payal reporting on that story for us. Payal, how far are you from this protest site? Please describe to us what is going on. It seems that the scribes there have all tendered in their cameras and they want the police.
Why are you stopping us from...
We are not stopping anyone. Please. We are not stopping anyone. We are not stopping anyone. You can protest. Please, please. This is not my jurisdiction. Please.
Well, of course, yes, you know, these are the protests that are happening. Remember, a number of the senior journalists wanted to go and meet the police chief over here, clearly to register our protest and tell them that why should they not allow us to go ahead and meet him. You can see that the entrance to the police headquarters is now blocked. The said personnel who's been sent out says it's not on my jurisdiction to answer any questions. But the fact of the matter is that two incidents have taken place. One leading to a journalist being molested by a senior police official. And the other incident, Deepthi, has been very important because in that particular thing, you can see that a female journalist was thrashed by the cops. She went on pleading with them, saying that do not destroy my camera, do not break my camera. But the female cops over there paid no heed. And the lady's camera has been taken away, has not been returned. It's a huge contingent of the media standing here in solidarity with those, of course, who've been attacked yesterday. Remember, it is the same police who's meant to protect people are the same person who are here attacking the media and getting away with it. And a lame excuse of sorts coming in from the police, and the police turning around and saying that why don't you all come with us and have a cup of tea? We are not there to have a cup of tea. What we are asking is why should this really happen? Why has this happened? You can see journalists across the fraternity, across groups are here standing out in solidarity. We'll go across to Anil Sharma. Of course, he's also from the Indian Express. The photojournalists have, in fact, said that they will not take their cameras. Yes. All right. We'll try and get in more and more shots and more people coming in. You can see a huge gathering. Let me give you a sense of what really the situation is on ground over here. All journalists standing here in solidarity with each other for what's really happened. Let's speak to a couple of them. You are here protesting in solidarity, but what has really happened is not the first time around, and the Delhi police will not take any action against those cops.
Payal, I think it's very unfortunate what has happened. And as a journalist covering daily occurrences for almost a quarter of a century, we have covered very challenging events. And there have been times when the Delhi police has had to use tear gas shells and, keep crowds at bay. But this is a different incident. This is an incident where a woman journalist was trying to do her work, and so were other journalists. In the Indian Penal Code, you have a provision which punishes.
We have seen a journalist, Shobna, also joining us right now. We'll go across to Shobna. Shobna, you stand here in solidarity with everyone else. This is not the first time around, but this is absolutely disgusting to see the way in which two female journalists had to go through an ordeal. Yesterday, the Delhi police will not apologize, will not let journalists meet the CP.
देखो, कल जो हुआ वो बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट हुआ। दो लड़कियां जो अपना काम करी थी, हम अपनी ड्यूटी करते हैं, हमारा काम है प्रोटेस्ट को कवर करना, हमारा काम है हर जगह जाना। लेकिन अगर हमें काम करने से इस तरीके से रोका जाएगा और रादर इतने क्या बोलना चाहिए अनसिविलाइज तरीके से रोका जाएगा, तो मेरे ख्याल ये बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट है। इसीलिए हम लोग अपना प्रोटेस्ट जाहिर करने के लिए यहाँ आए हैं कि कम से कम हमें काम करने का तो जो हमारा राइट है वो तो करने दिया जाए, और अगर हम अपने राइट का इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो इस तरीके की पुलिस अट्रॉसिटी ये बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट है।
Well, of course, coming in over here, now that the police has come under pressure, they want a delegation to come and meet them, but the delegation says that they will not go in. You can see, senior journalists over here standing up and holding this particular memorandum with them that they want to actually give out to the Delhi police, tell them as to why the molestation has taken place in this particular. This is a memorandum that they want to give to the police officials. But now that the police officials have decided that they are not going to come out, the journalists over here will be waiting for them to come out. Their cameras are already down, which means it's a work strike that they've really put out. They cannot allow this to really happen. That's the coordination which is really happening. This is of course, an incident which should not really have happened at all. There are 2 incidents reported yesterday, just as we speak. So that's where it stands, Dipti.